Here we're going to install a medicine cabinet that looks good, and it has special storage behind the door. Stick around. First, let's unbox this beauty and see what's inside. The packaging is sturdy. Ensure your cabinet arrives in perfect condition. Inside, we have the wall mirror medicine cabinet, mounting hardware, and detailed instruction manual. Everything you need for an easy installation. At first sight, it appears to be just a luxurious and elegant wall mirror, but when you open the mirror door, you'll find a spacious storage area. This concealed storage helps keep your bathroom neat and organized, maximizing the space available. The sleek frameless mirror doors offer numerous viewing angles and will match most bathroom style. This mirror cabinet can be used in various corners of your home, including the bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, and even your office. This keeps your item organized and easy to access, plus the stretchable mirror helps you handle the detail of your makeup with ease. The cabinet is made of high quality MDF panels with waterproof and moisture-proof painting process, making it perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, or living room. The high-quality stainless steel hinge are corrosion resistant and open slightly so you won't disturb sleeping children in the morning. Now let's move on to the installation. The best part is that this medicine cabinet comes fully assembled. You can either wall mount it or recess install in following the instructions. In this case, we're just going to wall mount it because it's easier. To install, you can insert the cabinet into the wall, which we're not going to, but you can if you like. But make sure you just have 1 inch protrusion for each opening and closing. This design takes up less space while maintaining easy access to your items. And there you have it. The wall mirror medicine cabinet is installed and looking fantastic with its elegant design, concealed storage, and practical features. It's perfect addition to any home. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel.